Hello and welcome to Mudrex. In this video, we will be taking you through the process of how to complete your Re-KYC. First of all, what is Re-KYC and why should you do it? As per compliance requirements in India, your KYC information expires after 1 year and you are legally required to reconfirm or update this information to continue trading crypto. To begin with, open your Mudrex app and you should see this bottom sheet that prompts you to complete your Re-KYC. If not, head on to your profile section where you will see the option to re-verify your KYC. So once you click on this, the first step is to re-verify your PAN and Aadhaar information. If your PAN or Aadhaar information has changed in the past 1 year, click on the edit button and make the necessary changes. If not, check these boxes and continue. The next step is a selfie check. For this step, please make sure that you're not wearing your glasses and that you're in a well-lit environment. And once you get started, make sure that the circle turns green before you click your selfie. Once this step is completed, the last step is to declare your financial information. For example, I've declared that my annual income is between 5 and 10 lakhs and that I'm a salaried professional. Once this is done, I can check the boxes and click on confirm. And that's it. My KYC re-verification is successful. If you have any further questions or need any assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out to our customer support team at help@mudrex.com or leave a comment below. Happy trading!